You are looking for some awesome moving slash storage bags. I'm going to tell you all about these. Been using these. Absolutely love these. I have all my summer clothes in here. I'm going to take each piece out. Don't judge my style, please. Show you how much actually fits in here. There is more space in here as well. We're gonna get 66 of these right over here. We're gonna get these nice little pieces of paper as well. I don't really use them, but you can. There is a little plastic slot right over here. So for me, I would put summer clothes on this and know that this is my summer clothes. Now, these do come in different colors and styles. So if you're not digging this color, no problem. These are 23 gallons. I saved this for you right over here. They're about 29 by 14 by 13. Super heavy duty, about 65 pounds you could fit in this. The zipper now goes all the way down, as you can see right over here, which makes these really easy to load and unload. The straps right over here, really nicely made, heavy duty. There's just two straps right over here, and you can throw it over your shoulder if you wanted to, and it's super easy to carry. This is like a better version of like an IKEA bag for sure, and you can see that. Now, this is going to be good for clothing, blankets, pillows, Christmas decorations, all that kind of stuff. It's just easier to move. It's easier to move than having boxes and all this other stuff. I do like the flexibility. So let's take a look at these zippers. We got two zippers right over here, as you can see right up top over there. So we're just gonna unzip this. I'm gonna show you everything that is in here. So like I said, it zips all the way down to the bottom right over here. It does not go on this other side as well. I find that just much easier to have one in and one out. This is what it looks like inside right over here. You'll see there is more space. So in terms of clothing right over here, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shirts right over there. 6, we got 7, 8, 9 pieces over there. We got another, I'm not gonna count all them out. We got another 10 pieces right over here. I counted that out. For shorts over here, we got another 10 pair of shorts, which is crazy. And then on this side over here, we got another 20 pieces of shirts. You can see this is all my summer wear right over here. We got the short sleeve shorts, the Hawaiian shirts, all that kind of stuff. So when you are loading this bag right over here, the easiest way to go about it is to zipper this all down, just like this. This is what the bag looks like empty. So you can kind of see the inside over here, and the zipper is up there, and then it zips all the way down over here. So I have found that the easiest to zip this all the way down. And if you start to get full in the back, you can kind of start to pull this up to give you a little extra guidance. So what I like to do is load back to front. This way it's just easier. You don't have to go over and put the stuff in the bag. Again, you could get as messy or not as messy as you like. And you could just see just like that. I'm gonna put that in just like that. We're just gonna take these right over here. Again, there's probably at least, I don't know, 60 pieces of clothing. Probably more. I would probably say you get about 100 pieces of clothing in here. Just depends on how you pack it. And you just put it just like that in here. So you can see right over here, we're starting to get a little full. This is where I really like this bag, because you just pull this up just a little bit, just like that. And you don't have to worry about the zipper getting stuck. Now we have the whole top to work with now. So you could just pull this up a little bit gradually. We're gonna put the rest of the stuff right in here, just like that. Again, this is gonna be great for Christmas pillows, decorations. We use for backup bedding. You know, my girlfriend likes spring stuff, winter stuff, so we have for everything. So zipper's really nice, really easy. Great material on this. And an easy way to kind of get this over your shoulder too, is just to kind of grab it just like this, pop it over just like this. This is kind of what it looks like on a shoulder right over here. So I do like that you have that option to just put it on your shoulder. It's just much easier, obviously, to carry something on your shoulder. I mean, if you had someone helping you, you could just have each take one, or you could just carry it like this. You do get 6 of these. They do sell all different colors and sizes and quantities. You cannot go wrong with these. This is great for decoration. We have another one of these right over here that has all kind of our outdoor, I don't even know what you call it, basically like garland that goes around our entrance that has all the Christmas lights on it. You do have this little pouch right over here to label it. if you want to. We just kind of got different color bags for each stuff we're doing. Blue is for the summer for me. Our Christmas stuff is in a different color. So that's kind of what we do. So if you're looking for some great storage bags, this is great for dorms, moving. I could even put a ton of groceries in here. If you're bringing a lot of stuff from downstairs to upstairs, just to be able to put it in a bag, put it on your shoulder, much, much nicer, easy to store, easy to stack on top of each other. You don't have to worry about, like you'll see right over here, very malleable. Whereas if you had just a box or a container, you can't really stuff stuff in there. Just what fits. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and I hope you find the right moving bag for you.